Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you step by step how to buy and sell ANTTIME coin. So guys, before buy and sell this token, do you only search before investing, because investing on crypto is very risky without any knowledge enough. So guys, go to CX platform and go to ANTTIME on CoinMarketCap and click CEX, and then you can buy through this decentralized platform. Just click this icon from here. You can buy it through KuCoin or MAX platform. For example, you want to buy from here this platform, just look for the price you want to purchase and then log in first step account from here. When you log in with your all information, you can log in with your setup with email account, and then guys, all you have to do, click on buy option, or if you want to buy, click on buy. Just wait guys, click buy this option and choose your price you want to buy, for example this price, and then choose the amount you want to buy or quantity, and then you should log in firstly with your account with your all information. If you want to buy on KuCoin, just click this icon and then you will see this token on KuCoin. As you can see here guys, you can also buy on KuCoin this token. So guys, all you have to do, choose your amount you want to buy, for example on this price, and then choose your amount and click buy. After that you should be logged in. Thanks for watching this video guys, see you on another video soon.